Hello guys, what is up? This is part 1 of the making of the Nightwing cosplay. Alright, let's get to it. Hey guys, back with the materials we need to make the costume. What I got was a black shirt, black material, craft foam, EVA foam, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, let's get to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like. This was part 1. Thanks for watching. Peace.